Hair problems and concerns are so much common that we try to find the perfect shampoo or the perfect hair care regimen that suits our hair type, our hair. So our hair care range from the brand Loreal Paris has brought the 5 problem of hair in just a one solution. Yes, I know you can guess the product. Yes, it is the Loreal Paris Total Repair 5 range. I will be talking about the full range in detail, the shampoo, their conditioner, and ending with their serum. So I will be talking about these 3 products in detail, and I will be talking about how these 3 products, like they have mentioned that 5 problems, 1 solution. So how it is so I will be talking about in detail. So if you are interested to know about these products, and if you are really concerned about your hair, then just watch this video to know whether it suits your hair or whether it can solve your problem or not, whether your problem is among the 5 problems or not. So just watch this video. The total range of Loreal Paris Total Repair 5 consists of the shampoo, their conditioner, and the serum. This total range is infused with keratin excess that penetrates deep inside the hair follicles and hence gives effective results. For so many years I have been seeing the advertisement of Total Repair 5 with Aishwarya Rai, and whenever I see the advertisement, how beautiful, gorgeous her hair looks is just a dream for everyone. I have also seen these products in many shops and just wonder why these products are there in the shops, like why this is so much widespread and why this is so much popular. And the tagline, that is 5 problems, 1 solution. So I used to wonder that really it will solve the 5 problems or not. What are the ingredients? At that time when these products were launched, I was not that concerned about the ingredients, but I was like amazed by the tagline that 5 problems, 1 solution, and how gorgeous Aishwarya was looking. From years I have been absolutely fell in love with these products. There is so much hair issues and hair concerns in our surroundings. Someone's hair are damaged, rough, brittle, someone have super curly hair, so maintaining them is super difficult. Someone have breakage, split ends, dandruff issues, hair fall issues, so many problems. And for these problems there is keratin excess in this range, the ingredient that will like give your hair a shine, luxurious glow, and will stop the breakage or dullness problem. My hair used to look very dull, damaged, right, due to the pollution, UV rays, due to heating, coloring, and with this Total Repair 5 range my hair too gives a gloss and it remains bouncy always. With addition of keratin excess, this range has become wonderful, and it has made it just a boost with power of keratin. So the 1 solution to 5 problems, and let me tell you the 5 problems are dehydration, brittleness, split ends, straw-like texture, and stiffness. These are quite a lot problem many do suffers, and for that this range has brought 1 solution to all these 5 problems. So now I have made my hair wet, and on this wet hair I will be taking a little amount of this shampoo from the Total Repair 5 range from Loreal Paris. A little will do enough, so I have to massage it on my scalp thoroughly and then I have to rinse it off. After the shampoo is done, that is the cleansing is done, I am taking this conditioner. After this I will wash it off, I'll towel dry my hair, and after that I'll take the serum and I will apply it from the middle end to the ends, and this will help to add a glow to the hair. So these products are a part of my weekly hair care routine, and the first product, that is their shampoo, this retails for rupees 179 for 192.5 ml. The conditioner retails for rupees 209 for 192.5 ml, and the serum, which comes in this kind of box, this one retails for rupees 175 for 40 ml of product. So the price point is quite affordable, and this do comes in various sizes. I will be mentioning the purchase links in the description box. Do check that out. This total range has made my hair so much glossy and frizz free. You can see my fingers can cross, and so much like glossy frizz free hair with volume and bouncy effect. I am really in love with this range. So this product comes with good ingredients and gives lustrous glow to the hair and makes it frizz free. Do not make it rough, and I haven't seen any excess hair fall while using this. So if you want one solution to 5 problems, then you can surely look into these products and you can use it by yourself and let me know. So that's all about today's video. If you're someone using these products, then you know how these products actually are, and if you're someone who is just watching that TV ads or the advertisements but haven't tried these products, then just go and try these products, then you will know the results by yourself only. So that's it. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye till then.